Good evening, fellow YouTubers. Tonight I'm going to show you how to get the dramatic red eye look. We're going to start by using a lip liner that's from Younique called Popular. I'm going to use this as an eyeliner tonight. Normally it's a lip liner, but you can use it for multiple effects. And tonight it's going to be to add some drama and some bright, fun colors. You're going to start by using your red lip liner as an eyeliner and just tracing the outline of your eye, tracing around the upper eyelashes and the lower eyelashes. I also went ahead and painted in my waterline with this as well. And just taking care to carefully follow the shape of your eye so that the color stays consistent and almost blends into your eye. I also use this to add some more shape to the colors I'm going to be adding in later, making a little bit of a winged effect since we're going to use the red and get kind of a cat's eye look with it. This is Stubborn, which is a red lipstick by Younique, and it's the Splash line, which is a really nice lipstick line. It's almost, imagine a regular hard lipstick being melted a little bit so that it's thick and creamy. I used a brush to apply it to my upper lids. I preferred to do that over actually just smudging on the lipstick itself, because with a smaller brush it gives you more control over where you're putting the color and the shape that you are creating. You just smoothly apply, going in layers if you need to so that it's all even and the color matches with what you need to see. Also went ahead and winged it out a little bit more, again so that I can fill in some more of the cat's eye later. This is Addiction Palette 4, and we have a nice chocolatey brown color that we're using to fill in the cat's eye edges of our makeup. So just trace around the line, fill in a little bit in places where you want a little darker color. And this is going to give you the ability to add some more shape to your look and add a little bit more definition for your look. And the best tip I can give here is work in layers. You don't have to glob it all on your brush and go in just one swoosh. That's probably not going to look so good. You can see as I'm adding the layers, it's adding more of an effect where it blends together. And if you get a little too much dark in, you can use your brush with the lipstick on to fade some of the color, blend it in a little bit more together so that you've got a more, what's the word I'm looking for, a lot more of a blended effect. This is our Dip and Draw, which is a liquid eyeliner. It's in color Perfect. It's actually one of the best eyeliners I've found as far as being able to get a smooth, clean line. A tip I have is to pull your eye to the side. You can see I'm almost pulling it so that the line is perfectly straight. So it's a lot easier to draw a straight line than try to follow an awkward curve. And just apply liberally since you want a little more of a dramatic effect here. I wanted it to be really dramatic, so I went ahead and took our black Splurge eyeshadow, which is a cream-based eyeshadow, and I used that to go ahead and fill in the color and add a bit more pigment, so it would be a dramatic black line before you got to the red. Just followed the line that I applied with the eyeliner. Add as much color and as much definition as you need, going back in layers, adding extra color as needed. And I also went ahead and used this to define my cat's eye as well. The more definition, the more layers, the better the look. Next we have our Anniversary Addiction palette. We have a nice sparkly purpley red color that we're going to be using to complete the look. This is going to add some smoke, it's going to help us define the cat's eye, and it's also going to let us complete the drama that we are going for. And you just want to go ahead and add the definition that you are looking for. Just tracing in with a either thin brush, or in this case it was a brush with a very fine point that I was able to use to thin the color and keep it where it was well defined on the eyelid. And if you're wanting a little more smoke, which I did, you can pull some more color down so that it meets the red on the under part of your eyelids. And for even more drama, you can add in pencil, which is going to add an extra layer and some more definition, so it's going to make the colors in the look just pop. This is the Moonstruck 3D Fiber Lashes. It's a two-part mascara. For sake of keeping this video short, I didn't go into all the steps involved here. It is 2 steps. One, adding what sticks the false lashes to your eyes, and the second step, adding the pigmented color on top. And on top of the 3D fiber lashes, I added the Moonstruck Epic mascara as well. I've noticed the pigmentation seems to be a little darker, and since I was going for a lot of drama with this look, I wanted to make sure that I had everything I needed to portray that. But if you want to see how the Moonstruck 3D fiber lashes are applied, go ahead and visit the video that I have under my channel that will show you how. And of course, don't forget to do the bottom lashes as well. This is the Hold Setting Spray. I love it. Even when I get it in my eyes, I still love it. But this gives you a nice seal on your look. I actually had this makeup on for several hours later that night. And actually it didn't burn, even though I got it in my eyes. You can see, only red on the outside, not the inside. I went ahead and finished off the look by completing my lipstick and my eyebrow makeup. Like, share, subscribe, and you can have chances to win some cool prizes like the ones you see. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.